Jada, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a little makeup routine. I'm just gonna show you guys what my makeup routine is. My makeup routine does evolve every time I do it. Like, it never stays the same. But I'm just gonna show you guys what's happening for me right now. Yeah, we're gonna get into this video and hope you guys, yeah. So first things first, don't look at my busted nails first of all because I gotta do them later. So first thing I do, I just make sure my face is moisturized, which it already is. I'm gonna fix these eyebrows because no ma'am. So what I do to my eyebrows, first I kind of like brush them up to like where I like them. And I had ordered this thing on Amazon. This brow styling soap thingy. And that's pretty much the only thing I use for my eyebrows. So what I do is just like spray my brush with a little bit of water. And you know, I need to clean my brushes because like, my brushes aren't that bad, but my sponges, babes, child, I need to wash those. But we're gonna wash it after this video. Anyway, so once this thingy is wet, I'd like rub it in this container thing. And I just like literally brush them up. And we're gonna fix them in a second. But first, I just like brush them up. I forgot to mention, y'all, my eyebrows are so bad right now. I need to, my eyebrows are like, they're so bad. I need to go thread them. Every time I get them together and I thread them, it takes like a week for them to grow back. These eyebrows are disrespectful. I'm so sick and tired. And if y'all wonder where I'm looking down, my mirror is right here. So once I'm done with that, is when I start with my concealer. These are not the best eyebrows I've done, but whatever. So now that I finished the eyebrows, what I do is I either use this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Set and Finish, or I use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer Matte Finish, which is new pretty much. It's a little bit lighter. They're like the same color. They both say Deep Cinnamon, but this one is darker and this one is lighter, which makes no sense. Whatever. I use this one's a little bit lighter for my face, so I kind of use this under my eyes. But for this, I use this on like my dark spots. Okay, so that's pretty much where I put my concealer. That's like literally it. So now after that, I just take this blending brush and I just like blend it in. And I pretty much like my makeup very light. Like, I don't like a whole lot of shenanigans on my face. I try to do like foundation, but that's just not for me. I take this e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer with the matte finish, put it right in the crevice of my eyes. I just take any like spray bottle. I either use water or this like Mario, oh my gosh. This Mario Badescu skincare facial spray, whatever. And I just like spray 2 sprays on the makeup sponge to make it a little bit damp. Or I just use water, whatever. Then I'm gonna take the damp part and I'm just gonna blend it in under my eye. So when I feel like I blended it out to how like I want it, and then we're gonna get to contouring this nose, okay? Because this nose is big. Now I take this Pixie by Petra eyeshadow palette. Anyways, yes. So I take, as y'all can see, I use this color the most and this color, but I use this color. It's called Boardwalk, and I take this brush. So I do the 2 lines down, and I get a little bit more, and I just put it right under my nose. I take a little bit more, and I just put it right over the bridge. Like a line on the sides, on both sides. Basically, this is what it's gonna look like. Now, to clean it up, because this is not cute, I'm gonna take my baking powder, I use a sponge, get that much, and then I just do whatever y'all call that. So now that I do that, I take this other brush and I still dip it in the same baking powder. Is that what it's called? Baking, yeah. So then I take a little bit on this brush and I put it right in the middle of my nose. So every I put the concealer, I'm gonna set with the baking powder also. So I just take this brush, I take like a little bit, not that much, cause then your face gonna look like a ghost. Now I'm just gonna let this sit on my nose for now. So in the meantime, I go to my eyelashes and my eyelashes grew. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes so that they look good because, oh child. Now I'm doing my mascara and I use this Colossal by Maybelline mascara. Y'all can get it at your local DDs for $3.99. It's good, I'm not gonna lie, it's really good. I have like two. Bro, why are you always in my videos? Oh, I have two other mascaras, but I don't really use these anymore. So that's one layer. I do 2 to 3 layers, so. Okay, boom. So I'm gonna kind of give y'all a close-up. I hate close-ups, but I just want to show y'all what this looks like. So these are the eyelashes. Ooh. Yep, these are mine, period. If I'm feeling, you know, the bottom lashes, then I'll do them. I don't know if I'm feeling them today. I don't know, let's see. Right now, I would do eyeliner if I'm like in the mood for eyeliner or whatever. But I don't think I'm gonna do eyeliner today. Eyeliner be stressing me out. Every time I do eyeliner, it's like I just gotta clean it up and fix it up and do all this and that. And I don't think I got the time for that today. Now what I do is dust off. I take the same brush I use for the baking powder. It's not baking powder, y'all. It's setting powder. Bro, I promise you I'll be on something. Don't listen to me. It's setting powder. Setting powder. Setting powder. Okay? I just use the same brush and I just brush it off. And yeah. Okay, so it's gonna look something like this. I have to like go back in with the contour brush because sometimes I like blend it in too much. So that's what it's gonna look like. Once we're done with contouring the nose, then I use the same eyeshadow palette, Pixie by Petra. I use this color free and I use this brush and I kind of just dip it in there. It's gonna look like that. You don't want to use too much because yeah. So I use it for my blush and I kind of smile and kind of get my cheekbones or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all when I finish the blush. So now that I finished the blush is when I kind of set my face, but I don't have a setting spray. So I either just use some water. I use this Mario Badescu spray, whatever, and I just spray. So I'm gonna let this dry and I'm gonna get back to y'all when it dries. Now that I think it's dry for the most part. Once it gets like dry like this, I'm gonna use my highlighter by Baked Bronzer. So it looks like this. So I kind of get, y'all can't really see how much is on the brush, but I put it right where, on the bridge of my nose. Like so. As y'all can see, I don't really go all the way down. And I kind of do that little eye corner thing. Okay, boom. So I kind of put some in my inner corner. Like so. And then I also put some right under my eyebrow. I'll take my mini fan brush and I kind of dip it in the same highlighter. And I put it right on my cheek. Boom. Once that's done, I do my lips. So I got this lip liner from the beauty supply store. It was $1. Period. It was $1. I got it in brown, not dark brown. I got it in like normal brown. I can't really explain this, so I'm just gonna show y'all what I do. Okay, so I don't know if y'all caught what I did, but basically I don't go all the way to where my lip ends. I kind of go in a little bit. Then I take this liquid lipstick by, I think this is JB Cosmetics. Looks like this. It's like a nude color, but a couple dots. And boom, that gets my lips like so. So now I take my white underliner. So now that I did the white eyeliner, I feel like I need the under mascara, so I'm gonna do that. But that is honestly pretty much it. Whichever one I pull out first is the one that I use. So I'm just gonna use this. What is this? The Vitamin E lip gloss. I got this from the beauty supply store also for $1. You know what? Let me take this thing off because I feel like I look wretched with that on. So anyways, this is what it looks like without the eyeliner. I'm gonna do the eyeliner and I'm gonna come back and show y'all what it looks like with the eyeliner. Anyways guys, with that being said, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Yeah, this is just basically what I do in my makeup routine. It's probably gonna change in a couple of days, but it's fine, whatever. So hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Oh, that is such a bad intro, this thingy. Anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell. Yeah, stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you guys in the anyways guys, stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.